DistroKid released a DistroKid app for iOS products only. So if you have an iPhone, you're in luck because, well, you can now download the app on your phone. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what features are on the app, and also at the end of the video, I'll let you know what the biggest perks are, what the value proposition is that DistroKid is promoting with this app. So the first thing is, once you download the app of the App Store, it will appear on your phone among the apps. You click on it, you log into your account. Of course, you need to be a DistroKid user. If you don't have a DistroKid account, you can register or sign in using my link below in the description. You get yourself a 7% discount. So once you log into the platform, it will bring you to the music page. As you can see at the bottom, we have 5 tabs, which are music, bank, upload, stats, and settings. So in the music section, you find all the songs that you've published or posted through DistroKid to the different streaming platforms. So all of them, you'll see them here. In the next tab, which is bank, you'll see your earnings. So this will be broken down into total earnings, withdrawals, and the money that DistroKid owes you. So here you can click on total earnings to go and see what you've earned by service, by artist, and by track. Those are the 3 denominations you can take a look at your earnings in. The next thing that you can take a look at, you can click on withdrawals to see the withdrawals you've made in the time you have had a DistroKid account. So as you can see here, I've had 5 withdrawals, the latest being in February of this year. And then at the bottom, you can see that they say we owe you $0.32. So this is where the amount that you're owed will show up. Now, take note of the writing there in the middle that says streaming services typically report on a 2 to 3 month delay. So what this means is that you shouldn't expect your earnings to reflect here. If, let's say, someone listens to your song on Spotify today, expect those earnings to show up maybe 2 or 3 months down the road. So that is key to note. If you want to withdraw, you click the withdraw button and do that. Personally, I can't do that direct on the film right now, rather on the video, because I need to have about $2 in order to withdraw to my preferred payout method, which is PayPal. So the next tab is upload. Under the upload section, you can do basically what the name of the tab says. Upload your song through your phone, which is a very handy thing. No pun intended. Which is a very handy thing because you find many people on the move. Maybe you do not have access to your laptop, but something needs to drop soon. Maybe you're in the studio and you just want to upload a song immediately, maybe set up. Probably you move like that. Probably you are a full-time artist and this is very beneficial to you. This will come in handy. The layout is basically how it is on desktop. I haven't seen any major differences. All the way to the bottom, where you find the extras. So yeah, for the next tab, it's stats. In my case, I don't have stats because of the subscription plan that I have. I have the musician plan, which does not offer stats to the user. If you have Musician Plus, if you have Ultimate, you should be able to see your statistics in here. The next and last tab we're going to take a look at is settings. So once you click on settings, you can see that you can edit your account there. If you need to change maybe the email or the name of the account, you can do that there. If you need to change your payout method here, if you want to maybe change a few details in your tax form, you would do it at the payout method tab right here. So anything to do with your payout method, just click here and you'll be able to change that. The next thing here is the cover song licenses. If you're dropping cover songs, all your licenses will be found in this tab right here. So I don't do cover songs, so there's nothing really there for me. But if you're a singer, this will come in handy. If you need to reach out to DistroKid support, you click on the help button. And if you need to sign out, that is it right there. So what are the major selling points for DistroKid with this app? What is the major value proposition? Let's go to the website. I actually saw this today. Once you come and click this tab from the menu bar at the top here, you click on that and then you scroll. You'll see here the what's new section, which says get the free iPhone app, upload music, check stats, and get notified when you have new money. Those are the 3 selling points, in my opinion, for this app, because it's what they are focusing on right here. So there's not a lot going on the app. You can't find the promotional features, such as the meme video generator, such as the promo cards. You can't find those different things that you can find on the website there, but you find them on the website, and that's not the main purpose of the app. As mentioned, these are the 3 main things they're focusing on, and they are very convenient for the artist on the move. So let me know down in the comment section if you've already downloaded the app, if you're considering it, what's the hesitation, why don't you have it yet? Let's have a discussion about it. If there's anything interesting in the comments, I'll make a video about it. Until then.